Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GSX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day on this one. In trading terminology, a gap and trap. Price closed there, opened up right there. So meaning on Wednesday closed, and then this morning on Thursday opened up right there. And then from that point, just basically straight down the rest of the day. So gap and trap, which now brings about a couple of key dynamics to watch moving forward. Before we get to the levels of support, let's just talk about the main area of resistance because I think that stands out the most. It's all about that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average. I mean, even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of that 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is down below it, it tends to act as resistance, and that's what we have here. So you can see right there, price got right up around that pink line, fell back down, made a nice bounce, got right up around there, fell back down. So I'm not saying that the price can never, ever get back above that area. I'm just saying that it's become very apparent that, there's a lot of sellers up around that area, and that moving forward, if there is any sort of attempted movement, that'll be that main battleground to watch. As far as levels of support, in terms of areas where there could be some buyers at, 2640 is going to be that initial level, and nothing fancy or complicated behind that reasoning other than the question of, well, where did the bleeding finally stop today? And that did stop down at that level. So that'll be the initial area. And then if the price does go back down there, though, and the price doesn't quite hold up, next key level of support would then be down there right around $25.50. So these are going to be the main dynamics moving forward. Like I said, the one that stands out the most to me is all about that pink line. And if there is going to be any sort of, attempted, turnaround within the overall chart, then it really begins and ends with whether or not the price can break above that area. So we'll see what happens with it on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.